Which yellow? Oh no, it's left turn, right turn, whatever. Oh, you're in the red. Blue red. Is that a red? Is that a flasher? Oh, it's a red. They're in it. Okay, fuck them. Yay! Thanks, Subadoosh. Thanks a lot. Ah, you got cut off. Let's go to bed. Did you go left from the straight lane? I don't think so. Check that. Don't run the red! You ran the red! Oh, you fucks. Let's go. Get off my ass, douchebag. Hello! Hello! Try to blink a shithead. Your headlights are off. I hope there's a cop down here and pulls you over. Real quick. Thank you, dickhead. My headlights are on, you should have fucking seen me. Oh, there you go. Don't hit me, lady. Thank you. Hello. And that's a cutoff. There's a cutoff. Chris. And yep. Good job. Okay. You're in the red. Oh, dang. Yeah, just let everybody go while you're holding other people up. Very nice of you. Stop being nice. They could have made it if you just went. I hate nice people. No, I have to buy it. Stop!
After 400 yards.
FS Construction and Remodeling, making your vision a reality. But your vision does not see stop signs. There's a cutoff. Good guy. Jesus. Thank you, asshole. Could you shut off your fucking high beams, please? Could you shut off your high beam? What the fuck? Am I invisible here? Jesus, asshole. Yeah, that was a cutoff. You didn't stop either. Hello? Okay. I guess the waiting is the hardest part. So you can do that. Hey! Scumbag, that was red. Hey, just gonna stand there, lady. You saw me get into the car. Lady. Lady, come on. Lady! I'll mow you down. I don't give a fuck, honey. It wet. Don't fucking hit me! Jesus Christ. Walmart. Put down the mascara, honey, and get off my ass. Thank you. Alright, thank you, stupid. Thank you. Maybe you should learn how to drive. You fucking Toyotard. And left turn dive, cut off, stupid asshole. Cut off. Stop. Don't fucking hit the bus, stupid. Don't